An attitude of gratitude can create a mood change very quickly, has a very strong impact when we focus on something that we are grateful for. So in this short practice, we're going to hold a couple postures for a few moments, very much like yin postures, holding and relaxing into the body with the breath while we focus on an attitude of gratitude. So let's begin with our hands in prayer pose. Close your eyes. Bow your head to your heart center. I have a suggested affirmation for you to use. You're welcome to use the one I'm going to share with you or your own. The one I've created for you is, everything is getting better and better, and I am grateful. Everything is getting better and better, and I am grateful. Take this moment. Allow yourself to use the affirmation that I'm suggesting or create your own. Go deep within to connect to what that will be. With a deep inhale, lift the head, straight spine. Lift that affirmation high up to the heavens, releasing it, just like you would ask of a prayer, a gift, a miracle. Allow the universe to take it so that you'll be granted the full attitude of gratitude. We'll begin in our first posture. Extend your legs out in front of you. Point the toes high up to the heavens, straight back. Now relax the toes, the feet. Take a deep inhale. Tuck your chin into your chest, folding forward. And as you fold forward, allow gravity to support you. Walk your hands out wherever they naturally and organically will feel comfortable. Allowing yourself to feel this natural stretch in the hamstrings and the back. The purpose is to breathe into the posture, focusing on your affirmation. And if you're using the one I suggested, everything is getting better and better, and I am grateful. Everything is getting better and better, and I am grateful. Relax into the breath. Use my affirmation or your own, and settle into this moment right here, right now.
On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest, rolling up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. Pausing there for a moment.
Feeling that beginning of the change, of the new attitude of gratitude. Bringing the soles of the feet together. Yogi's choice, if you bring the heels a little closer to your sit bones, and we're going to be folding forward, this will open up your body in the way that intuitively you may want. Listen to your body intuition. If you bring the heels further away from you, maybe that is what your body intuition is calling for today. So move the heels closer to you, noticing, is this where I want to be to open my hips and my back, or do I want my heels further away from me? So once you find that sweet spot, take a deep inhale, and then exhale, folding forward from the hips. And as you fold forward, allow the chin to tuck into the chest. Allow the hands to rest wherever they are without gripping. Noticing how the hips are opening. The neck and the shoulders are relaxed. The back is opening. And going into your breath with your affirmation, if it's the one I suggested, everything is getting better and better, and I am grateful. Everything is getting better and better, and I am grateful. Allow yourself to drop into the stillness with the affirmation, with the breath, and just be right here, right now. On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest, roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. Bringing the knees together. Take any micro movements that feel yummy and delicious for you before we transition into our third and final pose to create this attitude of gratitude. And when you're ready, bring your legs out wide as is comfortable. It doesn't have to be a hard stretch, just a comfortable stretch. Come with an upright spine. Take a deep inhale. Make sure the feet are relaxed, wiggle them out, And exhale, coming forward, giving yourself permission if you wish to use a pillow, a blanket, or a block to rest down on. Allowing the neck and the shoulders to release and feeling the gentle stretch in your hamstrings, in your legs, and a slight gentle stretch in the hips. Using your affirmation or the one that I suggested, everything is getting better and better, and I am grateful. Everything is getting better and better, and I am grateful. Relax and go deep within. On the next inhale, very gently tuck the chin into the chest, rolling up one vertebrae at a time as you walk your hands back towards your sit bones, taking your time to very gently bring the legs together, shake them out mindfully with an attitude of gratitude. And then joining me in easy pose, bringing the hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Press your thumb into your heart center. Bow your head towards your heart, honoring yourself for taking this time to uplift your mood, to change your mood with this simple attitude of gratitude. Lifting your hands above your crown, the crown of the head. I wish and want for you to feel the blessings of light. And bring your hands in front of your third eye, pressing your thumbs into your forehead. I wish and want for you to be filled with peace. Bring the hands in front of the mouth and pausing there. I wish and want for you to have all moments of joy. And then bring the hands in front of the heart. I wish and want for you and yours and all beings everywhere to be filled with love. And together let's bow towards one another. Namaste.